We're proud to showcase our CTKPJP02 and 03 professional installation kits for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Both kits retain the vehicle's steering wheel controls with a new aftermarket head unit. These include volume, track, source and phone commands. We have also condensed the original aircon controls into this easy-to-use touchscreen HVAC unit. Through the HVAC unit, you are able to quickly determine the fan temperature, orientation, speed and overall customization. By using the side buttons, you will also be able to change the fan speed as well as toggle the front and rear demisters. You can also access several on-screen options that concern the heated seats, steering wheel and rear view mirror. By selecting the Set button, you will be able to access a wide array of settings that will alter both the display's brightness and button configuration. More importantly, you will be able to access the configuration menu. The configuration menu allows you to alter specific vehicle attributes. Within car settings, you can alter characteristics that affect the vehicle's pre-existing display, amplifier, clock and lights. The CTKPJP02 and 03 also support the Spanish, French and English language. A key feature is that of the head unit select. This enables you to use the CTKPJP02 or 03 with a wide range of aftermarket stereos. To find out more information about our professional installation kits, please head over to our website at www.connex2.com.